looking pretty. Doing makeup nice. Mom, can I also do makeup like you? Please, Mom. Oh, wow, that smells incredible. It's so sparkly and sweet. I thought you might like it. Look at these beautiful shoes. You have such a good eye, darling. Yay! I picked them myself. Mom, can I go with you today? Where are you going, Mommy?
No, Kitten. Mom is going to host the show. You better stay at home.
Bye-bye, Mom. They're magnificent. The sparkles are absolutely divine. I must dance. These are the most beautiful shoes in the world. I love them so much. I am feeling a little bit nervous. I had to shoot first, and then I had to host the biggest competition there. Let's rock today! I can do it! I can do it! I will do this! Yay! Please like the video. Oh, my pretty, pretty audience. Tell me which dress color I should choose next. I love you all.